is my baby boy. Yeah, you're crawling already.
Mommy.
Like a little inchworm.
Mommy.
Yeah.
I wanna my Noki.
I put it up in the closet.
What?
I put it up in the closet.
No, the other one.
Which one?
The other one I found.
The one that you just gave me now?
Yeah.
Put it up in the closet.
Can you see?
I can see.
I can bring it out.
Is that a way to talk?
No.
Say, please can you give it to me, Mommy? Sure. Want this one?
And put a slip on me.
I should clip it on you?
Yeah?
Okay. Here's.
Then it's gonna be all high. No.
Too high? Okay, fine. So where? Here?
Yeah.
But you're gonna have to take it off soon before we go.
Then I'm gonna take off.
When are you gonna take it off?
With my balloon.
I don't know. See? Yeah, look, you're crawling already. Dangerous. Dangerous. Don't put it in your mouth. That's a sticker. Ugh.
Which one?
Dangerous. If you ever see Yossi putting anything in his mouth, you run and tell Mommy. Okay?
Mommy, which hand?
Which hand?
Yeah.
I have to guess which hand the Berlinis are in?
Yeah.
That hand. You tricked me. The other hand. You tricked me. The other hand. Ah, there it is.
I go outside.
Careful, don't step on his toes, on his fingers, please.
Mommy?
Hmm?